Today I'm working on a 2013 Audi A4. Just wanted to make a quick tip video showing you something I see pretty common over here in Michigan. Ride height sensors. These level sensors, the linkages typically break. What happens is these little ball sockets, they rust up, as you can see, and then it just puts a bunch of load on the arm, and then the arm snaps off. And yeah, to replace them on the back of one of these Audis, A4, Q5, a lot of these models are kind of the same setup. They're kind of a pain because they're up here, kind of inboard, and you can see where they're mounted in there, and the bolts will not come loose. You know, this car is pretty average for a Michigan car. See, everything's a little bit rusty in there, and the bolts will just spin where they attach right here. And so what I found the easiest way to do it is to, rather than even trying to break those loose, just go right in there with a Sawzall and a long blade. So if you go in there with a Sawzall and a long blade and you cut it, like I did the old one right here, back off here, the heads of the bolt just pretty much fall right off. So it's in there like this. So I'll take a Sawzall blade like this and I'll go in flush with the bracket right from out here like this, and I'll just cut the sensor right off the bracket. The back of the bracket's flat anyways. So you cut that off, and then your bolt heads fall off, basically. And then from there, you can just install new hardware, put the sensor on, and everything is fine. So if you're not doing it that way, you're not gonna be able to get that bracket off. The bracket's attached with with that control arm bolt that's up there, right there, and it butts up against the fuel tank. So as you can see, it just gets more and more crazy if you try to get the whole bracket off there. Especially in a car that's real rusty like this, is going to turn into a real project. So it's kind of your only option. So that's the quickest way I found to get this job done. Just go in there with a long Sawzall, cut the sensor right off the bracket, install the new one with the new hardware, and everything will be fine. So that's it. Thanks for watching.